Hello, I am with Seed System Solution, and in today's video, I will guide you through the process of working with attachments in Seed System Solution. If you are not able to view the menu or tab options that I referenced today in this video, please contact your Seed System Solution admin user at your organization for assistance. Attachments are stored in the attachment table, but they can be linked to many specific transaction or record types. Some examples of these might include customers, bookings, memos, pick tickets, work orders, vendors, bills, bagging requests. There might be a few others in there. The process pretty much looks the same though, regardless of the area. So first you're going to navigate to a transaction type. Today I'll just do a customer. Once on that transaction type, you're going to go to the Attachments tab. From your Attachments tab, to add a new attachment, you're going to click the plus sign. You're then going to see a few options, such as PDF, picture, file, and you might have a camera option if you're on the iPad. We do recommend, if you're uploading a PDF, to use the PDF functionality, because then you can view or interact with the PDF within FileMaker directly without having to re-download it to your computer. So if we select PDF, we're just then going to select a PDF here. It's going to insert, and it's going to open up an attachment popover. Same thing is if you insert a picture, you can view that picture if it's like a JPEG or a PNG. If you select file, it will only upload a file type and it won't allow you to interact with it. So if I select that same or a similar PDF style, we can see here that the image that's going to upload is just going to be a file icon, and we can't interact with that. Now, to edit or to view an attachment, we would select the attachment. We're going to click this little share style icon. It's a little box with an arrow on the top, and it's going to open our attachment window. We can choose the export option, and that will download it to your computer so you can interact with that, print it, open it elsewhere. You can also right-click on the attachment in your screen, and you might have additional options. Sometimes you'll see the export option in here as well. If it's a PDF, you can open with that previewer or interact with that zoom in, zoom out directly with that PDF here. To close this attachments box, if you just click out of the popover, it will close that popover. If you wanted to add any descriptions for this attachment so you know a little bit more information other than what your file name will tell you, you can just click in the description box and edit your text here. If you wish to delete an attachment, again, you're going to go into that attachment and you're going to click the delete icon. So that is how you can interact, upload a new one, or delete an attachment. And again, this functionality is going to be the same or pretty similar across the board, no matter what transaction or what customer or vendor type that you're on. You're just going to see those under the attachments table. Now, if you want to view all the attachments that you have in your system, you can go to your main menu and then select attachments from that menu. Here is going to give you a list of all the attachments that you have in your file. Similarly, if you wanted to export that to your computer, you can choose the export file. You can right-click on the attachment to get options to interact with it. You can adjust that description by clicking in the description column and adjusting any text there. As well as you can view what this is linked to. So if it's linked to a customer or booking or vendor, bagging request, any of those options, you can see what that transaction type is. You do have filter options in your filter icon, as well as sort options by any of these underlined column headers. And you can delete attachments from this table as well by selecting the attachment line opening your hamburger menu and selecting delete. And as I did mention previously, if you are on your iPad and you're adding an attachment through FileMaker Go specifically, not through the web version, but FileMaker Go, then you will have the ability to select your camera or your camera roll to scan and take pictures, or select something that is already within your on your camera roll. If you have any questions about Seed System Solution, please reference our other training videos. Email us at grow@seedsystem.co, or you can register for one of our free monthly Seed Support Zoom meetings.